Step 1. Grab your smartphone. Step 2. Push this button. Step 3. Watch a simple video. Step 4. Make $2. Step 5. Leave a like. Step 6. Earn 50 cents more. Then just repeat these steps again and again for as long as you want to make real money online. Hello guys, welcome to this exciting new 2021 money making video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and today I'm going to reveal a brand new website and I'll show you the exact step-by-step for you to follow to sign up completely for free and from anywhere in the world. The best thing about this website is that you can send your cash earnings directly to your PayPal account, or you can get a bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Paytm, and many other payment methods to choose from. And if you stay all the way until the end of this tutorial, I'll give you a very special bonus that's gonna allow you to make an extra $50 a day. But before we actually get into this, if you like making money online, then make sure you go below this video and click on that red subscribe button, then tap the notification bell, because we provide every single week the best videos on how to make money online. And also remember to drop a like on this video as well if you enjoyed this content. With all that done, let's get into this simple step-by-step tutorial to get paid to watch videos starting today and in 2021. Now, it is very important that you pay close attention because there are actually 5 different easy ways in which you can make money on this new website. Number 1, you can make money by browsing websites, videos, and watching ads. And you don't need to create accounts or write anything, just browse and discover ads. Now, a second way in which you can make money with this website is by leaving engagement on social media. Now, all you have to do here is to leave likes, followers, shares, subscribers, and more. And a third way in which you can make money is by writing comments and reviews. So for example, on a fun viral video just like this one, you can get paid just to watch the video for a couple of seconds. Plus, if you want to earn some extra bonus money, you can also like the video, leave a comment, and you can subscribe to the channel to keep on making money with the same website.
Wow!
Now, continuing with the other easy make money online methods, you can also earn free PayPal cash just by completing simple surveys. And in a couple of minutes, I will show you how easy they are and how you can maximize your earnings with them. And with the final method, you can earn money just for creating accounts and signing up for free to receive bonus money. And as you see here, you'll get the most money for this method of earnings. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to take advantage of this option. Now, you may be wondering, what is the name of this amazing website? And I will give you all the necessary information for you to access this make money online website in just a few more minutes. And I will also give you the bonus option to make an extra $50 a day. So make sure you don't miss out. So as you see here, you can make money online and follow this process from any device, whether it's from your phone, your computer, or your tablet. And you can do it with zero investment. So you can sign up to get free PayPal money. And as I mentioned before, this website is available worldwide. So this will definitely work for you. Just follow along with this video. Now, I'm going to show you everything from my computer because it's easier for me, but this works perfectly on any device you want to use. Now, it is really important for us to know which device you use so we can bring more money-making methods that work best for your device. So please leave a comment below with the word phone, tablet, or computer. Alright, now let me show you how this money-making website works. Step 1. Select a method of earnings. So as we just saw, you got 5 different options to make money on this website. Now, step number 2, start earning. As soon as you complete a task, you will start to add up money on your account. And step number 3, get paid on autopilot. Yes, they're gonna automatically send you the payments each and every time you reach the minimum payout amount. So if you put in the time and work, you can get paid every single day within 24 hours just by using this brand new website. So if you're interested in making fast, simple money with this website, then you can start by clicking on this registration button on the top right corner. Just follow along as I show you the exact steps through this registration process so you don't make any mistakes and make this method work for you. And once you know how to do this correctly, then I will give you the website address so you can start earning cash today. Okay, so after you click the registration button, you will be taken to this new page. You can sign up with Google or with Microsoft, or you can register with your email address. So just enter your email address on this box, then create a password and click on the next step button. Now enter your first name, your last name, select your gender, and click on registration. Finally, you will be taken to your dashboard. On the top part, you will be able to track your earnings. And the first thing you must do is to go to your emails inbox and verify the email address you just entered to create the account. And once you have your account activated, you can come over to the left menu and click on Earn. This will open the panel where you can choose any of the different methods to start earning. As you see, you got all the 5 methods we talked about earlier in this video. So let's start off with browsing websites, videos, and ads, and click on Earn. So to start earning money with this method, you click on Earn again. Now it will open up a website, and as you see, you have to browse this page for 160 seconds. Now my recommendation is that you navigate through this website and just move around the website like you would, because if you just leave it open and it doesn't track any action from you, the website will automatically close and you will lose your time and you will not earn any money. Now as you see here, they will show you the name of the website and the amount you'll earn after browsing this website. So once this timer gets to 0 seconds, the website will automatically close and your earnings will add up to your account. You have completed the action correctly and you have earned 2 cents. So if we go back to our dashboard, you'll see that your earnings have been added to your balance. Now let's look at the second option and click on Earn. Now all you have to do here is to leave engagement on YouTube, Instagram, we have Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, and many more social media to leave engagement on. So for example, if we click on YouTube views, you have many videos to choose from and they will tell you how much money you will earn for watching a couple of seconds of each video. So for example, let's choose this video and click on Earn. Let's play the video and you can watch this video for 30 seconds and then the earnings will be added to your balance. Okay, so you have watched the video correctly and you have earned 1 cent. Let's go back to our dashboard and you see that the balance has increased. Now you can also leave comments, that's our third option, and you can leave YouTube comments on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, and so on. You have a lot of options to make money from. Now the fourth option is to fill out surveys. So let's click on Earn. So you can try Google Forms, Pulpfish, and SurveyMonkey, and just complete all of the available surveys on each site. Now the final option is creating accounts and subscribing to newsletters. So you can just click on Earn and check out the options they got for you for this 5th method. Now if you go to the left menu and click on Billings, you will see that the minimum payout amount is $25. So once you reach the $25, you will be able to receive your earnings by bank transfer, PayPal, Revolut, TransferWise, and Payoneer. So now that you know exactly how these ways to make money online work, you can come over to the website SarahClamy at sarahclamy.com. As you see here, you can download it for your iOS device or for your Android phone by clicking on any of these buttons and then start making money with this website. Now, keep watching this video because I'm about to show you a bonus website where you can watch videos and make extra daily money. But before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tips, tools, and tutorials for building your real and successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, now let's get back into this video. Alright, so our special bonus website is called IrisZoo. You can access it at iriszoo.com, and I will leave a link to this website down in the description of this video, where you can also find lots of free tutorials that show you other ways to make money online. So you can go and check that out. Now, IrisZoo is a 100% legit website where you can earn gift cards and most importantly real cash by performing different actions like downloading apps, watching videos, doing paid surveys, completing offers, playing games, among others. Now, as you see here, they have paid over $114 million in cash to their members. The best thing about IrisZoo is that it accepts people from all countries to pay them PayPal money just for watching videos and doing the other simple methods we just saw. Below this, they explain how they are able to pay all that money. Brands pay us for consumer input, so we recruit members like you. And when you do activities at IrisZoo, you earn free gift cards and cash. And best of all is that you can join to start making money completely for free. This is such an important money-making website that it has been featured on places like the Crazy Coupon Lady, Yahoo, the CNN, the Penny Hoarder, and the Wall Street Journal. Now let me show you how easy it is to make money by watching videos. So let's go to the top menu and click on the Watch Videos link. On this site, you will get more details on how to get paid for watching videos online. Let's scroll down to see the 3 simple steps you need to follow to earn money by watching videos. First, you watch videos from a variety of categories, and for that you will earn points, which you can then convert into Sweet, PayPal Cash, or other cash prizes. Now that you know how easy this works, let's create a free account by clicking on this button right here where it says Join. You're going to arrive on this sign up page. Here you can join using your Facebook account, or you can fill out this form to join using your email. So just type in your email address, first name, last name, and create a password. And you can also read the privacy policy and terms of service, which you will agree to if you create an account with iResume. Finally, click the Create Account button to start getting paid to your PayPal account or other payment methods. And now, if you want to see your PayPal balance grow way more, then click and watch this next video right here, where I reveal the 3 apps that pay you free PayPal money starting today. Remember, be different, take action. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.